The Jamaican sun beat down on Charlie's pasty shoulders, turning them a worrying shade of pink. He clutched his camera like a shield, his eyes wide and a little panicked as the vibrant chaos of Montego Bay swirled around him. Kirkland, a lean, 20-year-old with a cloud of tightly coiled afro hair that seemed to absorb the sunlight, chuckled, a deep, warm sound that cut through the noise. "Easy, Mon," Kirkland said, his voice a lilting melody. "You look like you see a ghost," Charlie stammered. "It's a lot. So much, everything." Kirkland grinned, flashing a row of pearly white teeth. "Everything is the best part, Charlie. You just need to feel the rhythm." He gestured towards a nearby jerk chicken stand, the air thick with smoky spice. "First food. You hungry?" Charlie admitted he hadn't eaten since the airplane. Kirkland led him to the stand, ordering 2 portions of jerk chicken, a side of rice and peas, and a couple of red stripes. As they ate, Kirkland explained the nuances of Jamaican cuisine, the importance of Scotch bonnet peppers, and the secret to perfect rice and peas. "See?" Kirkland said, wiping a bead of sweat from his brow. "Taste the sunshine and the spice, Mon. That's Jamaica right there." Later, they strolled along the beach, the turquoise water lapping at the shore. The sound of reggae music drifted from a nearby beach bar. Charlie still looked hesitant, his shoulders tense. Kirkland stopped him. "Watch this." He took a deep breath, closed his eyes, and swayed gently to the music. "Feel it, Charlie. Don't think. Just feel the bass in your chest, the sun on your skin, the breeze in your hair. Let it wash over you." Hesitantly, Charlie closed his eyes. He could still feel the anxiety buzzing in his chest, but the music was starting to seep in, the rhythmic pulse of the bass a comforting thrum. He shifted his weight, a small sway. Kirkland smiled, a genuine, welcoming smile. "That's it, Mon. Now you're Irie. Jamaica is not something you look at, it's something you feel. Forget the camera for a while. Live it." Charlie opened his eyes, and for the first time, a genuine smile touched his lips. He lowered his camera. The chaos still swirled, but it no longer felt threatening. It felt alive. He took a deep breath of the salty air. Maybe, just maybe, he could settle in and enjoy the Jamaican rhythm after all.